Welcome to our newest luxury listing at 12822 East 239th Street in Noblesville, Indiana. On multiple acres of serene and private land, this custom home overlooks Duck Creek and has 3 beds, 3.5 baths, smart house technology, a basement, sunroom, and covered patio. Never run out of space in this luxurious kitchen featuring a Wolf commercial stove, endless counter space, and a breakfast bar flowing directly from the grand family room. Custom wood touches carry over into the large owner's suite. The spacious ensuite features a large walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a walk-in closet. The sunroom and covered patio are perfect for entertaining with a fireplace, TVs, space to dine, or enjoy your view of the tranquil creek and impressive landscaping. No special touches were spared on this pristine backyard oasis. You will own both sides of the creek and enjoy lighted walks down to the water in the evenings. You will have plenty of space to store multiple vehicles, including a motorhome in the enormous garage with multiple 50-amp breakers, an RV sewer line, drains for washing your vehicles, and a bathroom. The home sits on over 11 acres, while there is an additional parcel of 10 acres available for $300,000. The home, including the second parcel of land, is listed at $1.4 million. Contact Terrence Berkey for info or a showing.